Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn a very powerful method to improve your English listening and speaking skills. This method is called shadowing, and it is used by many successful language learners around the world. If you want to sound more natural, speak more fluently, and understand native speakers better, then this technique can really help you. So let's get started and learn how to shadow in English step by step. First, let's understand what shadowing is. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it at the same time, or just a little bit after the speaker. Like a shadow follows a person, you follow the speaker's voice. You try to copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, and their intonation. This means how their voice goes up and down, how they connect words, and how they sound natural when they speak. At first, shadowing may feel difficult because you need to listen and speak at the same time. Your brain may feel a little confused, but don't worry, this is completely normal. With practice, your brain will get used to it and it will become easier and more comfortable. Now, let's talk about why shadowing is so effective. One reason is that it improves your listening skills. When you shadow, you are paying close attention to every sound, every word, and every sentence. You start to notice how native speakers really speak, not just how English is written in books. Another reason is that it improves your speaking. Because you are copying real pronunciation, you are training your mouth and your muscles to produce English sounds more naturally. This helps you speak more smoothly and confidently. Another benefit of shadowing is that it helps you learn sentence patterns and natural expressions without memorizing grammar rules. You learn by doing and by repeating, and this makes your learning more active and more practical. Now, let's learn how to do shadowing step by step. Step 1, choose the right material. This is very important. You should choose audio or video that is not too difficult and not too easy. If it is too hard, you will feel frustrated. If it is too easy, you will not improve much. Try to find something that you understand about 50 to 70%. For example, you can use short conversations, podcasts, or YouTube videos for learners. Step 2, listen first. Before you start shadowing, listen to the audio 1 or 2 times without speaking. Try to understand the general meaning. Don't worry if you don't understand every word, just focus on the main idea. Step 3, read the script. If you have a script, read it and check new words. This will help you understand the content better and make shadowing easier. If you don't have a script, you can turn on subtitles and read along. Step 4, start shadowing. Now play the audio and repeat after the speaker. Try to follow the speed and copy the pronunciation as much as possible. Don't stop the audio if you miss some words, just keep going. This is very important because shadowing is about flow, not perfection. At the beginning, you can do slow shadowing. You can pause after each sentence and repeat it slowly. Then you can move to real shadowing, where you follow the speaker without stopping. Step 5, repeat again and again. Repetition is the key to improvement. You should shadow the same audio many times, maybe 5 times or even 10 times. Each time, you will understand more and speak better. Now, let's talk about some tips to make your shadowing more effective. First, use short materials. Don't start with long videos. Choose something that is 1 to 3 minutes long and practice it many times. Second, practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference if you are consistent. Third, use your voice. Don't just whisper. Speak clearly and with energy. This will help your pronunciation and confidence. Another tip is to record yourself when you shadow and then listen to your recording. Compare your voice with the original speaker and notice the differences. This will help you improve faster. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Shadowing is practice, not performance. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying and improving little by little. Now, let's imagine a simple example. You hear a sentence like, I am going to the store. You repeat, I am going to the store. Try to copy the speed and the sound. Maybe the speaker says, I'm gonna go to the store. You try to copy that natural style. This is how you learn real spoken English. As you continue practicing shadowing, you will notice that your listening becomes clearer and your speaking becomes faster and more natural. You will not need to think too much about grammar because your brain will start to recognize patterns automatically. Sometimes you may feel bored or tired when practicing shadowing, and that is okay. Try to choose topics that you enjoy, like movies, travel, or daily life. This will make your practice more interesting and fun. You can also practice shadowing in different ways. You can do silent shadowing, where you move your lips without making sound, or you can do loud shadowing, where you speak clearly and strongly. Both methods are useful, and you can choose what works best for you. Another idea is to practice shadowing while walking or doing simple activities. This can help you relax and make your practice feel more natural and less stressful. Remember that improvement takes time. You will not become fluent in one day, but if you practice shadowing regularly, you will see real progress after a few weeks and even more after a few months. So keep going, don't give up, and trust the process. Every small practice session is helping you become better and more confident in English. Finally, let's review what we learned today. Shadowing is a powerful technique where you listen and repeat at the same time. It helps improve your listening, pronunciation, and fluency. To practice shadowing, choose the right material, listen first, read the script, and then repeat again and again. Stay consistent, practice every day, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this lesson helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, keep improving, and see you in the next video. SHTRTM.